Hello, I'm Charlotte Atchley, editor of Baking and Snack. I'd like to invite you to visit Lallemand Baking at IBA 2023 in Munich, October 22nd through 26th in Hall B4, booth 350. Today, I'm joined by Stephen Anderson, Bakery Applications Manager, Europe and APAC, Lallemand Baking. Thanks for joining me today, Stephen.
No problem. Good to be here.
So let's start off by talking about how can Lallemand Solutions help bakers reduce their baking time, and how is that linked to sustainability?
Yeah, so we have what I think is a unique enzyme solution that is helping, that allows bakeries to reduce bake time. And we do that with a unique combination of enzymes, and it starts there at the mixer. So by adding the enzymes and then making some small adjustments to the dough, it means that then we can go through that process. And in order to get a baked product, the same as you're doing right now, we can actually do that with a reduced bake time. So depending on the application, we can reduce anywhere from 10%, and we've gone right up to 30% bake time reduction. So again, depends on the application, but yeah, across multiple applications: lidded sandwich bread, baguettes, buns and rolls, what you will. At the moment, we are seeing really good results. So, I mean, what does that mean for bakeries? The baking part takes up so much energy. Energy costs are they're not going down. They continue to rise. Bakeries are continually under pressure to find those savings, as well as in terms of economics, but as well as yeah, being sustainable. We do take a lot of energy to make a loaf of bread. There's been some studies around that have highlighted that recently. So we're happy to be helping bakeries look at both economic and sustainable solutions. So yeah, reduced baking, reduced energy for that same loaf of bread at the end of the day.
And these enzyme solutions are typically customized. So how should bakers prepare for meeting with a Lallemand baking expert to discuss their potential solutions if they wanted to pursue this?
I think that's actually quite simple. You as a baker, you know your process, you know your product, you know any limitations, you know what you want to achieve. And when you can describe that and explain that to us, then we will be able to know how our solution then can fit directly into your process and your product, and how that can then go straight in and be a solution and an optimized solution for you. You know, we could do something off the shelf and it would work, but we really want you to get the absolute maximum out of our solution. So we like to work and collaborate really closely with you as a partner, and make sure that we are both sustainable and both grow into the future.
Let's talk about IBA. What can bakers expect when they come visit Lallemand Baking at IBA in Munich this year?
Yeah, so Lallemand 2023 at EBA, we are ready to showcase solutions such as this sustainability bake time reduction solution. We also have some really cool solutions around flavor and unique, making your products unique. And I think overall, the what we're looking to bring is an open mind and our ears. We want to listen. We want to understand what it is exactly that you, as an individual baker, are looking for. And then we want to make sure that we are tailoring the right solution or providing the right solution for you. So we're ready to listen and to point you in the right direction for which solution for the best solution for you.
Well, thank you so much, Stephen, for sharing all about how Lallemand Baking can help bakers with sustainability. Be sure to visit Lallemand Baking at IBA 2023 in Munich, October 22nd through 26th in Hall B4, booth 350.